The full session for the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly will commence from July 31st. Addressing media person in Imphal, IPR Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan informed that the decision to hold the budget session was taken during a cabinet meeting which was held between 10 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. today. The minister also maintained that various other decisions were also taken during the meeting. Among the decisions, Cabinet has decided to rationalize village defense force in newly formed districts of Manipur. It also decided to allow transfer of VDF personnel from one district to another. The Cabinet also agreed to frame Manipur Private School Registration Regulations Rules 2024 by amending Manipur Private Schools Registration and Regulations Act 2017. It also decided to amend the DMU Act so that appointment of Vice-Chancellor, Registrar and other regular posts for Dhanamanjari University could be carried out. The Cabinet also gave approval to formulate Manipur Health Service dental rules. Speaking about recruitment process for various posts, Minister Ranjan said a committee will be constituted to look into the recruitments for Directorate of Economics and Statistics. Cabinet also decided to create a post of Extension Officer in Directorate of Panchayati Raj. The Cabinet also took decision on matters concerning fancy registration number for Transport Department, allocation of land for establishing dispensaries for Ayush and expansion of airport.
Assembly session July Gitang Kuntraga Mathoi 2024 Yumza Kishan Numetsida Akoi Haunanabagi Ayaba Ma Cabinet na Bibiki Anoba District Sigizda Makoi Ministerial Staff Amasung Village Defense Force Gize District in the Anobus the Kapiba the rationalized town the work up town the Cabinet na Home Department as a high grade Akoi Village Defense Force Hanadi within the district Mogi posting the Lerambase Jikti they will be transferable district Amada Loina transferable Oibayaba Sigize Dangasi Cabinet decision low Manipur Private School Registration Regulation Rules 2024 a frame taunana Pedamakta Cabinet Ayaba Pigres Amendment of the Dhanamanjari University Act Magi Vice Chancellor Lobagi Vice Chancellor Z Magi tenure Kamai Orba Magi removal Kaduki details Sama Amendment Ama Tawagang Sina Cabinet Ayaba Pigre separate Manipur Health Service dental rules exemption from consultation or concurrence with MPSC until Giwina rules Anobama Nasiki Cabinet Sina Ayaba Adam Sigizima Pigre Director of Economic and Statistics Sida Anirak Tokna recruitment khara tawgibadu cabinet na committee ama semaga irregularities khara mogi departmental aduna yengbiraga in case if there is irregularity ramagadi adugidu scrap tawnuna baidamakta adu so kai cabinet na ayaba adum pigre Director of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj the 42 number post of Extension Officers Panchayat Director sida post create tawnuna baidamakta adu sigizna ayaba so pigre Senior Research Officer ne duga Research Assistant One Post Library on Records and Library section of GADG. Sigisi contractual basis for a minimum of 5 years. Loan na baidamakta sizo ayaba bigre cabinet.